I saw Zion in a vision. Jah was there amidst everyone, stretching forth his right hand. Oh, it's like a family reunion. Zion in a vision. Jah was there amidst everyone, stretching forth his right hand. Oh, it's like a family reunion. Bless me, mighty Jah, bless me, so that they can curse me. Bless me, mighty Jah, bless me. Oh yes, Rasta, bless me, mighty Jah, bless me, so that they can curse me. Bless me, mighty Jah, bless me. Yeah. Oh me, oh my, pretty baby, don't be shy. Oh me, oh my, I'm gonna tell you why. Oh me, oh my, pretty baby, don't be shy. Oh me, oh my, I'm gonna tell you why. So long we've been together, can't keep you to myself. Got to share you with another, got to share you with someone else. Growing love inside of me, oh it is showing, shining so bright, it's growing. There's love inside, yes it is showing, just in time. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want, no. He maketh me to lie in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He restoreth my soul. Splashing, dashing, restless sea. Ever still you seem to be. Sometimes angry, sometimes sad. Sometimes I love and you're glad. I'm singing these words to let you know how much I care, and I won't let go. Even though we're oceans away, you're with me day by day. Memories of you keep flashing through my mind. The very thought of you make my time. Hello, Mama Africa, how are you? I'm feeling fine, and I hope you're fine too. Hello, Mama Africa, how are you? I hope when you hear these words, your grace turn blue.